video just looks set up for, like, this is the top, boy. That's what it looks like to me. It looks like it's just set up for the top, and it's going to get a pullback. So I do like this for the short side. I don't like it long yet. So what else I'm watching here on NVIDIA? Right here, we popped right up into that for the short setup, and I just covered some here. Oh, come on. I almost got filled on NVIDIA. Get up there. Order filled. Patience there. That was a nice patient waiting for that price, that entry into black magic on NVIDIA. Now let's go. Quick hard dump right after. Man, what a fill. Thank you very much. Order filled. Paid myself a little bit. Profit stop in place. Let's go, man. Die, mother trucker, die. Order filled. I'm going to pay myself a little bit more on NVIDIA. I'm going to move my profit stop now. So I'm going to quit taking profits into targets and just keep moving my profit stop now. Fuck yeah. Nice trade, man. That's just, I like it. I like it. Quick $1.50 with some full size. Yeah. Or most of full size for most of it. Beautiful. Beautiful day. That right there really made my day. Heck yeah. Order. And we got a 15-minute count. I'm just going to cover up, man. I'm all out. We got a 15